Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to do another unboxing. But before continuing with the unboxing, I want to wish you all a happy new year. Now I've decided to start the year with these headphones because this is the coolest product I've received on this channel, and we have two pairs of the headphones and the color on both is white. Now the official name is Iconica Angel White. Now you can read the specifications here. You can pause the video and read it. Okay, so now let's flip the box over and look on the other side. And while we turn the box from the other side, we see Benassi. Now you can pause and read here if you want. There is a quote from Benassi. Now turning the box on the bottom side, we see that this device is designed and engineered in Italy. So let's open one of the boxes and see what's inside. Now this is a big box, as you guys can see, and I have to say that this thing is heavy. It's kind of difficult to open without tearing it apart. I don't like a messy place, so I try to not break the boxes or rip them apart. Let's continue with the box opening, and we see that inside we have the headphones. So let's take away the hard shell case. We also see that we have a metallic ring on it and it's zipped. Now we see that we have the usual books. Thank you for choosing this Rcf product, and it comes like with a safety barcode. You can pause and read if you want. So basically this is a certificate of warranty, and also the other book is like a user manual, I believe. Yes, this is the user manual. And now we see that we have two cables. I believe that this is the standard auxiliary cable with the function buttons and the standard length. Also we have the function buttons. Now let's take a look at the other cable, and we will see that this cable comes with a 6.3 adapter, which is gold plated, and this auxiliary cable is different from the other one. It doesn't have any function button, and I believe that this is meant to be used in a more professional way, different from the other auxiliary cable, which I believe that is meant to be used with a smartphone or just a regular laptop. Okay, so let's put the packaging aside and take a look at the headphones. Opening the box, we see that we have a place inside the hard shell case for the auxiliary cable. It's like a little pocket inside, and this is very practical on these hard shell cases because the cable will not mix with the headphones Now let's take a look at the headphones itself, but first let's remove like this protective plastic. So far you have seen that these headphones are very bendy and they can like rotate sideways and you can open them. Yeah, like this. Like, I mean, if you are a DJ, you can just rotate them and use them only on your left or right ear. We see that we have the Benassi written here. Now I have A50s, Samsung Galaxy A50s here, which has a headphone jack. I repeat, it has a headphone jack. And we will try to listen and see if the camera microphone will capture any noise coming out from the headphones. After doing the test, we see that the headphones are loud enough, and I believe that these headphones will get the job done. Now, this is not a final review. I will do another video about these headphones, and on the other video I will give my full opinion on these headphones on details. I mean, I will talk about the bass, I will talk about low frequencies, high frequencies, etc. Now, this was just an unboxing and a quick preview. I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next video.